Inside Kim and Kanye West's $60 million mega mansion. There are high hopes for Kim Kardashian and Kanye West to work things out and stay together, but it's official, Kimye is now back to Kim and Ye. Kardashian 40 has officially filed for divorce after 7 years of marriage to West 41. After months of speculation, her divorce lawyer, Laura Wasser, filed the papers on the 19th of February 2021. Out of the most expensive properties the celebrity couple owns is their multi-million-dollar Hidden Hills mansion. Before we settle for who will remain with the house, let's first step inside the home and see what makes it so special. Throughout their relationship, Kardashian and West saw eye to eye on plenty of things, including the interior design of their Hidden Hills home. The soon-to-be exes purchased the property for almost $20 million in 2014, shortly after exchanging vows. It took nearly 6 years to renovate and is now worth an estimated $60 million. With assistance from Axel Vervoort and other international design luminaries, Kim Kardashian West and Kanye West transformed a suburban California estate into an otherworldly oasis of purity and light. When the couple first encountered the house, that would become their wildly idiosyncratic family refuge in suburban Los Angeles. The two had decidedly different reactions. We passed by this incredibly extravagant house while strolling through the neighborhood. I just head north, and we were doing a lot of walking, so I could work off some of the baby fat, Kim recalls of their first sighting in the summer of 2013. I didn't really know Kanye's style at that point, but I thought the house was perfect. Kanye was less enthusiastic. He said, "It's workable." Almost 7 years and 3 more children later, the Wests have transformed that real estate into one of the most fascinating, otherworldly, and yes, strange pieces of domestic architecture on the planet. As Kanye himself blithely describes it, the metamorphosis of the house from suburban McMansion to futuristic Belgian monastery is a story of probing and passion, a testament to the iconoclastic mind of the boundary-defying musician and the fearlessness of the zeitgeist-defining reality star and entrepreneur. The couple's peregrinations through the international design world eventually put them in the path of the illustrious Belgian designer and tastemaker Alex Vervoort, whom Kanye met at antique fairs and exhibitions in Maastricht and Venice. The musician's initial attraction centered on a signature Vervoort design, a floating stone table with rounded edges that seemed to encapsulate the seductive simplicity and wabi-sabi aesthetics that pervade the Desires Ovore. When I saw the kind of work he was doing, I thought this man could design Batman's house. I had to work with him, Kanye says, adding, "It was a coup to get Axel to come to Calabasas to redo a McMansion," which is essentially what the house was. The Keeping Up with the Kardashians star has often given fans a glimpse inside, showing off elements like her minimalist decor, walk-in fridges, and absolutely baffling sink situation. The house has hosted parties, family meals, and plenty of selfies, with Kim often sharing scenes from the mansion on social media. There is absolutely no clutter in the house, with the very white and very clean pad being completely organized, down to the organic pantry. Meanwhile, marble is absolutely everywhere, with arches marking the entrance to the rooms instead of doors, and the home featuring high molded ceilings. There are plenty of sculptures, with one room simply displaying a huge round sofa with a coffee table in the middle. Naturally, the children have an amazing playroom filled to the brim with every toy imaginable. Despite fans often joking about the pair's decision to go for such a minimalist look, Kim and Kanye are very aware of it too, with the rapper previously addressing the design. The home is decorated entirely in muted shades of white, brown, and gray, a color scheme which the pair says relaxes them and makes them happy to be home amid the chaos of the outside world. Kim is worth almost $1 billion thanks to her makeup, fragrance, and intimate lines, while her rapper husband is worth a reported $1.3 billion with his music, concerts, and apparel and shoe lines. The West family eventually moved into their home in 2017, and fans have constantly been left baffled by what they've seen on the couple's social media ever since. However, Kanye insists the futuristic Belgian monastery-style home was actually inspired with their children, daughter North, son Saint, daughter Chicago, and their youngest son, Sam, in mind. He explained, "North was the inspiration for the design of our house," expanding on how he came up with the landscaping design alongside landscaper Peter Wirtz. He added, "The kids in the backyard, there were all these stairs, and we needed the kids to be able to ride their skateboards around, so many places I could take the stairs out, I did." The couple also discussed why they chose to have renovators rip out the 2 swimming pools which already existed in the garden when they bought the mansion, opting instead for a huge pool which is rumored to have set them back $50,000. The topic came up when Kim was asked by her husband when she last used their pool. She replied, "I've never used our pool actually." She then brought up the fact the home does not have a hot tub and explained how the couple turned their pool into a huge hot tub instead. Kim stated, "The kids love to swim in a jacuzzi. So you said, no, the whole pool will be a jacuzzi. Just make it really warm." Kanye explained that the home was brought to life by minimalist designer Axel Vervoort, but they also worked with other prominent designers, including Claudia Silvstrin, who worked on Kanye's pre-Kim Manhattan loft and designed the voluminous master bath. Vincent Van Dusen helped furnish the living room as well as the children's bedrooms, and Peter Wirtz oversaw the design of all green gardens. The couple's home boasts a hallway swathed in off-white plaster and a living room with matching off-white seating surrounding a limestone cocktail table. Their kitchen boasts a spacious island, while Kim nearly broke the internet when she revealed how she doesn't have any basins in her bathroom. Kim also revealed that the entire bathroom ceiling is a light box, adding that her tub is big enough to fit all her children at once. In the past, the star has also shared some of her home's other gimmicks, including unique light switches and a massive TV that comes out of the bedroom floor. Kim previously revealed the house features a secret second kitchen where a team of chefs and staff work to prepare the family's meals. The kitchen looks more like a professional restaurant kitchen with stainless steel appliances, fittings, and worktops. Kanye recently unveiled the family's endless outdoor basketball court in a photo he shared of his daughter North walking their two dogs. It leads onto some of the property's expansive lawn. On her part, Kim has the walk-in wardrobe of dreams with an entire room dedicated to her designed footwear and handbag collection, which is neatly organized on shelving that wraps around the walls. There's also a second informal dining area next to the kitchen with a circular dining table surrounded by cream cushioned seating. The dining room is more suited for entertaining with an entirely cream color scheme that runs across the walls, flooring, round table, and chairs. Minimalism runs throughout the entire property, and it is only fresh flowers or foliage that add a splash of color as seen in the living room. At Christmas time, Kim opted for a Whoville theme at their huge home, taking to Instagram stories to reveal her unusual take on Christmas decorations. The same setup appeared in their home in 2019 and 2020. Kim and Kanye's master bathroom is huge with a gray concrete bathtub and bespoke sinks that are so unusual she had to explain to her fans how they work. One entire wall of the bathroom is lined with floor-to-ceiling mirrors, while another features windows that look out to fresh plants and lavender, which also provides extra privacy. Whether the power couple will manage to solve their differences or whether they'll go in separate ways, there's no denying that they lit up the internet with their beautiful children, their sense of fashion, and of course this amazing home. So do you think they're going to stick together? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications.